Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy Instagram shopping for your dropshipping products, beginner guide step by step clearly. To deploy Instagram shopping for your dropshipping products, start by ensuring your business profile is set up correctly. Convert your personal Instagram account to a business account if you haven't already. Link your Instagram account to a Facebook Business Manager account. Set up a Facebook shop and add products from your dropshipping store. Ensure your product catalog is created and linked to your Facebook page. Connect your Instagram business account to your Facebook shop in the settings. Choose the right product catalog for your dropshipping items. Compliance with Instagram's commerce policies is essential for successful deployment. Once your catalog is set up, navigate to your Instagram settings. Select Business and then Shopping to start the setup process. Choose the product catalog that you want to display on your Instagram profile. Submit your account for review to activate Instagram shopping. Wait for Instagram to approve your account and catalog. Once approved, you can start tagging products in your posts and stories. Create engaging content that highlights your dropshipping products. Utilize Instagram shopping features like product tags and stickers. Promote your posts on Instagram to reach a wider audience. Interact with your followers to build a loyal customer base. Monitor your analytics to understand which products perform best. Refine your strategy based on engagement and sales data. Stay updated with Instagram's additional features and tools for businesses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile. If you see an error message, note it down. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.